Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a VPN account or plan ready and a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Install the official VPN app from your device store. Once installed, open it and sign in with your credentials. You'll be prompted to grant permissions for network access and to add a VPN configuration. Tap Allow. Make sure you note any 2FA codes and server preferences now, because these first steps save time later and prevent configuration errors. Once signed in, you'll pick a server and configure protection settings. Choose a server near you for speed or in a specific country if you need content access. Then enable leak protection and the kill switch so no traffic leaks if the VPN drops. Next, select a protocol. Automatic is fine, WireGuard is fast, OpenVPN robust. Adjust split tunneling only if you need some apps outside the VPN. Save these settings and test connection quality before proceeding to full use. To finish, tap Connect and watch the app confirm an active session. You should see a VPN icon in the status bar and a changed IP address. Test the sites or apps you need. If something doesn't load, try a different server or toggle the protocol. If connection fails, restart your phone. Check that battery or data restrictions aren't blocking the app or reinstall. If problems persist, collect the app logs and contact VPN support. Give them timestamps and server names so they can diagnose quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.